Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break?
Alright, y'all. Here go me and mom. Y'all was asking how she was feeling. And I only had one person. It's always gonna be one. Because the Lord say so. It's always gonna be one. But I'm gonna say this and I'm just gonna be done with it forever. Like just forever. Hold on, let me read this first.
Sorry, y'all. Don't ask why I got a hat on. Just don't.
I didn't. I wasn't gonna ask you nothing, true. Go get your clothes out for tomorrow and get your book bag together.
Don't you go back out that door?
Yeah, go get your book bag together. You gonna sit here and be quiet.
Already do.
Well, just sit here and be quiet. I tell you, mama. Well, your mama gotta say something. But before mama tell y'all, well, I'm gonna tell y'all she doing good. But I'm gonna clear up two things. I don't have to, but I'm going to. First, when mama got sick, what's that? You got sick Sunday? Today is Tuesday. When mama got sick Sunday, hold on, Philip. Get your mama some water and help her bring it to the back.
Mama got sick. Y'all didn't
When
tell
mama
me.
got sick Sunday, we was having church. We was in the middle of church. And when I told y'all to hold on and I paused my camera, about an hour and a half passed by. So y'all did not see when mama was sick. When to TV land or to YouTube land, it may come across like, oh, she turned her camera on. No. An hour and a half to 2 hours had passed by. I turned my camera on because my mother, this woman right here, that's in her sound mind, yes, she's in early stage dementia, but I mentioned that as well. She had told me, a year ago, that she wants me to share her journey because my mama never thought in a million years that she would be fighting and dealing with cancer, right? My mama battled with her mother going through it, but it was at the end that my grandmother found out she had cancer. And she never told my family. When the doctor told her, my grandmother never shared it with the family. She never went through treatments or nothing. So we didn't know until she passed. When my mama found out, my mama said she wanted to share her journey because she had so many unanswered questions. She did not know much about it other than what everybody just knew. So it was new for her. My mama had questions, and she said she want to help somebody, even if it's one person. Because I've been through it. 2 of my children been through it. Her brother, her brother-in-law, and her other brother. But for her personally, she did not understand it. So she wanted to share her journey. It's her choice. Don't I ask you every time, do you want to be on camera?
Yeah.
Did not come on here today and ask you.
Yeah.
I don't ever put my mom on camera. And I know, again, I don't have to explain, and I'm not. But because a lot of people come to the channel and they tell me they knew, they don't know what happened a year and a half ago. They may not know how many times my mama come on the channel. But my mama went through different surgeries. Her mouth had to be repaired. I did not come on here and show y'all the procedure. I didn't show y'all when he was getting drained. I didn't show none of that. I don't come on here and show when she doing physical therapy. I don't show speech therapy. I don't show her nurses. I don't show none of that. It's 99% of the stuff y'all never see on my channel. And y'all never will see on my channel. I don't talk about me and my husband. I don't talk about our relationship. I don't talk about our personal stuff. I don't talk about my mama's. But again, because she want to share her journey, because it's so many of you guys out here who love my mama. Y'all been here with her before she knew she was sick and when she got sick. And y'all are concerned about her. I get this subject is touchy for a lot of people, and a lot of people may not be interested in it. But if you're not, I title my videos as such. So if it's a video that may touch a nerve for you, or it may get to your spirit to where you can't watch it, then it's okay if you skip a video. It is. It's okay because it's not for everybody, as I said. But everything I do, I pray on it before I even put it on my channel. And if God tell me no, I don't do it. My mama had a trach. I never came on here and shared her with her trach. It was covered up. And I told y'all, my mama has a tracheotomy. Y'all didn't see her but once, and y'all didn't see her again until she got it removed. Y'all never heard my mama talk with it in because I never shared that. I have more than enough sense. I'm not one of them YouTubers that share my mama journey for money because I don't care about money. I care about my mama. If I wanted to be big on YouTube, if I wanted to be YouTube famous, if I wanted to go viral on YouTube, it's a lot of stuff that I could have shared years ago. It's a lot of stuff that I can share weekly that goes on in our family. And I can be YouTube famous. But I don't care about fame. I don't care about money. I don't care about views. I care about you guys that care about us. But I don't care about views. Because if I did, I would have stopped doing YouTube a long time ago. Okay? I'm just saying. Because like I said again, some people may be new. And I get that on YouTube, people post all kind of stuff. They'll talk about their sex life. They talk about all that. They tell you everything from A to Z. But you're not going to get that over here. So when somebody come to my channel and they say that and they accuse me of that, I'm going to defend myself because that's not in my character. And I'm going to say it once and I'm done with it. And like I said, I'll never talk about it again. So I'm only sharing that because somebody may be new and they may not know how we roll. And for y'all that do know that I don't exploit my mama and I don't put her out here. So I'm going to say it again. A lot of y'all ask why my mother-in-law, I don't share her much because she has children. And her children know we do YouTube. They don't care. But because Mama E don't always like to be on, I don't put her on. If she said, baby girl, I got something to say, I put her on. Just like my mama. Mama, what do you tell me?
I want to say something.
And what I say?
Okay.
And if I say, Mama, everybody told you, hey, what you tell me?
I say, hey.
And I ask you what? Do you want to talk, right?
Yeah.
And if you don't, I don't put you on, right?
No.
That's right. If I'm recording that day and I'm bringing my mama to chemo, and if I'm showing her walking into a building, it's because we want those memories. Because when God is ready and say that my mama's job here on this earth is done and he needs her home with her, we want to have those memories. And we want to share those memories with you guys. But like I said, I will quit YouTube today and be done with it before I ever get to the point that I'm sharing my family for clout or I'm sharing my family. I come on this channel and show y'all daily lives of our life, of our South Mississippi life, the good and the bad. The good and the bad. But it's so much stuff that goes on with our family that y'all don't know and never will know. It's things that go on with Philip that y'all will never know. The health issues. My baby battled cancer for years. The treatments, everything, the stuff he had to go through, y'all never seen it. Never came on here and asked for a dime. Never shared his medicine. I may have shared what a few of going to the doctor with him, but have I ever showed Philip inside the doctor's office?
Mm-hmm.
And if I would have, what would you have told me?
I'm good.
Thank you. You see this woman? She ain't crazy. So I would never, because this woman here, as grown as I am, she'll say, don't be showing that child in no doctor. I'll tell y'all, we going to his oncologist or we doing this. When I had all of my surgeries, I never shared any of that intimate and personal stuff with y'all. I came on and told y'all my surgery was over, but that's it, because my mama didn't raise me like that. I agree that people overshare a lot. Some stuff people may think that what I overshare is a lot, but I share what I know I want my family to go back and see one day, because we just had my first grandbaby ever. I want baby Emma to one day be able to click on her mama videos and see her great grandmother and go back and watch from when we first started YouTube, when my mama used to sit in the kitchen and dance. when my mama used to sit in the kitchen and sing and cut up and just cut up. I want baby Emma to be able to see that and be able to go back and watch them videos and say, oh, that's my mama. That's why I do YouTube. I don't do YouTube for a check because I did YouTube for 4 years and never got paid. Because when I started, we wasn't getting paid on YouTube. So I did it for my kids. My kids can go back and watch their videos before they graduated, when they was in the 5th and 6th grade. Philip can go back and watch YouTube videos when he was 4 years old with a squeaky voice and missing 4 teeth at the top. That's why we do it. But Sunday, as I said, when she got sick, it was an hour and a half had passed. She wanted me to show what we do to get her blood pressure back up. I was not showing her sick. Y'all didn't see my mama throwing up. Y'all didn't see none of that. When she came on camera, I put the cold rag on her head to keep her temperature down. I showed y'all that I gave her a liquid IV because I promote them, but I promote them for her health. Because my mama blood pressure, when I first took it, was 58 over 62. And that was weird. I had to take it a couple of times because I'm like, what in the heck? This is not right. I gave her 2 liquid IVs in her tube, and then we had her drink one. That third one brought her blood pressure up because if not, she would have had to go to the hospital. So when I shared it with you guys, y'all only seen me putting one in her port and Alisha gave her one. But like I said, time had passed. So y'all didn't see nothing compared to what she was going through. My mama had many accidents. Y'all never see that. I don't ever show y'all me bathing her. When I used to have to change your dressing on your legs, did I ever show that? Not once. I had to do my mama dressings for a whole year. I never shared changing her dressings. Y'all never seen me do any of that. Because I don't feel that's for YouTube. But this journey she's on, she wanted to talk about it. But y'all love Mama Margaret. A lot of y'all thanked me for that video because it's helping y'all. Because 3 people on the channel, 2 men, 1 man and 2 women. I'm going to show you their comments. Lost their mom, lost their dad, and a brother. All within the last couple of weeks. And they saying that when they see you, and you can go back and read the comments. When they see you, you give them strength. Or you remind them of their mom. Or you remind them of their sister. Yeah. Because you give them strength to keep going. So you changing a whole lot of people's lives out there.
Yeah.
You helping people, huh? Yeah. And somebody else was saying about her medicine. And I do administer her medicine. But some of her medicine she take on her own, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And I keep it by her bed and she just get it and take it. But none of that medicine is going to hurt her. But all of the medicine, her heart, blood pressure, any medicine that's for her chemo, we administer. But the little basic, little here and there, she take on her own. So, yeah. So we got it. We got it. We've been doing this for two and a half years now. So we got it. But we thank y'all. And we love everybody. We praying for you guys. Everybody who is dealing with a loss, no matter what it is. Lord, I can't tell you I understand what you're going through. But I'm praying for y'all. We pray for you guys every day, every night. And we love y'all. And y'all may just be watching me just for my mama. And that's okay. That's okay. Because it's my mama. You know. And for whatever reason you watch, I pray you getting something out of it. And you get to see that everything we do is in God. Whether it's for me, my mama, or whatever the reason y'all watching. So we grateful. But anything else you want to say?
I want to say, I feel good today. Sunday, I wasn't feeling good. Mm-hmm. And the other day, I wasn't feeling too good, but it passed. I get them days like that. Some days I'm good, some days I'm I'm not good, but I thank God He wake me up every morning, and I pray, and I say, thank you, Lord, for waking me up this far. Because you don't know what the rest of the day or night gonna be. But today was one of my good days, and I want to let y'all know that my daughter is not disrespecting me or want to put up something on me for money. No, she take good care of me, and I appreciate her. And if she want to show something, she can show it. It's gonna bother me because I don't I don't care what people say, because people not doing for me. My daughter is, and I just got sick all of a sudden, and she hurried up and helped me get better, cause I'm I'm gonna stay out of the hospital much as I can, and my doctor trying to keep me out of the hospital much as she can, but like I say, I just did too much something, and I know I shouldn't have did it, but like I told my physical therapy that I be trying to do stuff for myself. He said, Miss Morgan, I understand that, but you can't do it. So now from Sunday, I see I can't do it no more.
But you'll be able to again, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Y'all continue on praying for me, and this a brand new year, and people need to stop acting like they act, because life is too short for everybody. If all trying to be the sickest one pass away, it be other people too. We don't know when our day is. That's why people need to straighten up and pray for one another. Because I pray for y'all. Y'all pray for me, and thanks for asking Alisha how I'm doing. But that's all I got. That's all I got to say.
That's all you gotta say, huh? All right, that's it. So we will see y'all later. So from our family to y'all, y'all be blessed.
I hope y'all can understand me, because that's how I talk.
Yeah, they can understand you. And they all gonna say it in the comment section. Mama Margaret, we can understand you.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad, because I do the best I can to get it out.
They go hard for their Mama Margaret.
Yeah. Well, y'all stay warm and have a blessed and peaceful night.
All right. Okay. See y'all later.